Alright, welcome back to Ep 2 of fucking Mythical. How long will it take someone to die challenge?
UHC, more chest.
What are you doing?
Alright, see if I looted it all.
Alright, dubs.
Do you have any apples? I have none.
Oh, I found diamonds.
Fuck.
I found a map.
Oh, I was like, why the fuck isn't that smelting anything? There's no coal there.
Alright, I have 2 diamonds, Saya. So,
You have 2 diamonds?
I have 2
Alright,
diamonds,
well, now I just need an obby.
yeah. That's gonna be kinda hard to find, though. Lol.
Yeah. Well, you seem to find a lot of them.
Yeah, but finding
fast
lava pools in City World isn't also always the easiest thing either, so.
It's not fast.
Yeah, it's not fast melting. Why isn't Adonis Gaming playing? Truth there, we need Adonis Gaming in this recorded round. Leon! Yarr!
Yeah, at least we both have diamond base. That was a net gain.
True. I'm kind of paranoid right now, to be honest.
If you see anyone, I expect a kill. That's not with me.
Harder.
One thing is for sure is that I don't remember how many minutes I survived in Ep 2 last season, but
Do any iron for
I'm kind of paranoid about it, TBH.
I have 13 unsmelted. You have 1.
I'm gonna make arrows just in case I get
I don't have any
hashtag
smelted.
jumped.
No!
I have basically we don't really have to worry about food or feathers because I have double arrows and I got a stack of feathers. And
I have
stack of
48 arrows. Uh-oh, it's Colin's heal. I just stripped mine into diamonds, dub. I want to save, because you don't have any diamonds, right, Saya?
I don't have any spare on me, but I
Yeah.
have a lot of diamonds.
I would make, like, a piece or something normally, but, like, yeah.
Alright, let's keep exploring change. Let's find some other islands. Alright, wait, there's some chickens here. Get these first. Okay.
I don't think I've seen it change a few times here. I did her a few times here. This is my first time seeing T coming around.
I think this is realistically my first time teaming with Saya. This is definitely, actually, yeah, this is my first time teaming with Carter. And then, fucking,
Like our 4th.
I've teamed with Change like 3 times.
Oh, dude, someone got stuff in here. I mean, no one in our world is gonna have enchants.
I see a person. There's a person
Oh,
going.
shit.
Okay.
Who is it?
I think it's Maxima.
You see Maxa? I would just leave.
Probably is stuff in there.
I would just get out of there, bro. Especially because you pretty much have all that city stuff.
Maxa or...
It's either Maxa or Gunner. If it's Gunner, he's on 58, but...
It's not gonna answer Maxa.
yeah, no, get out then.
Great, no sense. We'll wait for you to move on to the next one. Yeah.
Is this another underground city that he probably found?
I would just leave, bro. Like,
That's the plan. I said bye, and he says, "I swear to God, if Firm comes for me, I'm gonna scream."
I'm across. I found more diamonds. I'm pretty much across the map.
Some murder parts. I'm gonna come to you. Don't tell Gus about the.
Oh, I found more diamonds. Oh my god.
Did Gus make the volcano?
No,
Okay, I'm
that's
making
section
chestplate.
8 where Berries make volcano.
I have 2 diamonds left over for enchants and I made chestplate, so.
You make chestplate? Oh, shit.
Yeah, I'm finding a lot.
Yo, wait, change. You put things down here?
Nah, I was just looking at that.
Oh, my Chris is on 20. That's actually really good.
Yeah, it already is. I already checked it.
Oh, my Chris died. Yo, that's really good.
Sharp 2 diamonds.
Sharp 2 diamond. That's good though. That was actually a good team.
No, like I already saw. Wait. Yeah, there's.
Cody's such a sussy baka.
This has
I
gotta
found
be
a
it.
cave with a bunch of gold. No shway. A free kill? Cool.
Quartz, you can just keep up thing.
I can come to surface if you want me to, or
I mean, do you self-give?
not really.
Or you can if you want.
I can come up to surface. Yeah.
Luckily, there's not much city.
Oh wait, Carter, there's an island right there.
I know.
Okay.
I got bored, so I started steering it.
Oh, fucking Brody got poisoned as well. How he's healing though. Oh, I found the underground. I found an underground city. It's like at border as well.
Okay,
I don't
Quartz.
think
I'm
ravines
digging.
spawn
I'm
in this
fucking
world.
exploring this thing.
I know exactly what it's like with the like pillars.
Yes, it's the colored pillars. Yeah. I found a blaze spawner. Oh yeah. Also, he killed the best person on that red team, which is OMC.
Was it OMC or is it Crow? Because Crow is intense.
No, OMC is definitely better. OMC, I like actually cannot long range.
So I
So
would be very upset from that. I just saw player with my nice guy because
I got a diamond hoe. What a snag.
yo, I will take that.
I'm getting a bunch of feathers from this as well, actually.
Oh no, it's oh I think I see where you found the underground city. I know what it looks like from the surface.
Oh my Chris is back to spectate. I found gold pants, no shway. I found a diamond sword.
Nice, I have one.
Oh, is that a diamond axe? Oh, that's a diamond axe. I forgot axes are fucking weird in this pack.
Yo, pass me that. I'll take that.
Yeah, I'll give you the
I would like full diamond tools. I think would be very fun.
gold pickaxe, no
Exactly
way.
where you are right now?
Right there. What? Did I go with this
Basically,
one?
what you do is you just gotta go like just around and around.
I found a singular string. Yo. There's another underground city like 200 blocks away. Like, there's more of it. I see, like, to my east is more
Yes,
city.
they are pretty big.
Yeah.
I'm trying to find it. I know what it looks like from on the surface, so I'm trying to see if I see it from an aerial view.
No!
No! He was
No!
too saucy.
Bestie, no! I hate it here.
Saucy blockhead.
I miss Bestie. That's actually despair.
Density is still alive though. Would at some point, but luckily every cave in Minecraft.
I'm getting a lot of feathers from this, by the way. This is like, actually good.
See an Enderman. Should I go? Should I kill this Enderman?
Yes.
I know Change Alex likes his promise, so.
I'm up to 24 levels from spawners. This is good.
I got a pearl.
Nice.
You can feel.
Yeah, I will. Hold on. Oh, I did /T on accident.
Oh, you
That's so funky.
Christ. I found it. Never mind.
Yeah.
Where it is. Do you see any howlers that you noticed?
I'm gonna go to the other part of the city now, like the one that's like through more mineshaft. So
Yeah.
I'm just trying to make sure I don't miss anything because these cities are like big. I'm getting like all the feathers and all the spawners as well. I have like 24 levels, so
On you.
I got another
Yeah.
diamond sword. So
Where are you?
Nice.
I'm over here.
Let's see when I open it.
all right, yeah, I'm gonna go to the other side now. It's like towards the it's like 200-ish on the X is where I'm going to.
Oh, okay. I'm in it.
Which way did I see it through? I saw it through one of these. Oh yeah, right here.
61.
Oh yeah, I see you. Yeah, that is you.
I
Okay.
see you.
Let's do some exploring.
Finish UTL again.
I moved a little bit.
Damn, y'all far out. Sheesh.
I'm at the border.
We're at 0-0.
Got an apple.
I found diamond pants.
Oh, that's huge.
Wait, how do we get from 0-0 directly to border?
What can I throw out?
Really can't find the path you say send again and stay in the same place.
Downstairs.
I found diamond pants as well. I'm middle pieces now in fucking City World.
You're about to be 3/4 because I'm gonna give you diamond boots.
Yeah. We're stacked. We're actually fucking...
Hey, Firm.
Are you behind
Okay.
me? Hey, bestie!
Here. Where?
Ah!
That's the one I got on my inventory.
Aw, you're so cute.
Don't pull my
Jesus Christ, dude, there's so many fucking mobs.
Oh, see you guys next
Yeah,
time.
yeah,